In this video, I'll talk about how you can do express shipping on Temu. Now, the way that you can do this is you want to find any order and add it to your cart. In here, go to the checkout, and once you're at the checkout, you can fill in the shipping information. So the way that this works is find your product, add it to your cart, go to the checkout, enter all your shipping information, and once you've entered your shipping information, you'll be able to choose your shipping method. So in here, you should be able to do express shipping, and sometimes it's not available for your location, but most of the time it is actually available. So if it's available, you should see that option and then you can choose it. Now, express shipping is much faster than normal shipping, because normal shipping can take up to 2 weeks to even a month in some places, but usually express shipping, you'll get it before a week. So that is basically how you can do that, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.